what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I'm as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So as you guys see it, Trash Coin is one that I have spoken about so many times. Guys, how can I miss out on a coin that is so viral, that is so exciting, that, you look at it and you're like, oh my God, what the hell is going on? But yet it's so cool. Like, this is the type of stuff that maybe you might even be able to make a fortune out of. Imagine if you do make your first, 1,000x out of it, and then you tell your kids, you're like, you know what? I found this coin and it was just absolute trash. Literally, definition of trash. It looks like trash, it's trash, everything is trash, blah, blah, blah. And I made millions of dollars. I know it sounds like a hypothetical, crazy story, but hey, you never know. Everything is possible. We live in this era where there's so many possibilities. So yes, guys, easy to get in on Solana, liquidity burn, supply 1 billion. I mean, the simplicity is insane. Living in this era knowing that you can just make so much money is wild. Now, looking at the graph here, let me just move it so you guys can actually check it out. Guys, look at this. Pumped, went down. Pumped, went down. I think the next pump is going to be crazier, wilder. You know why? Because there's going to be more money in the system. In the crypto system in general, people are realizing that things are really starting to heat up. We're waiting for Ethereum to start breaking its all-time highs. Already it has reached, but what I'm saying is break more all-time highs, go to 10K, and after that, all that money will start pouring into altcoins. And guess what? This, with the narrative it is, with how special it is, with the fact that it's already managed to move close to 15 million. Guys, crazy stuff. To me, looks suitable. To me, looks very green and available, and we should be making the most out of it. So I'm very happy. Want to push. I want to go far with this. I believe in just, the future and so many interesting things ahead of it. Now, Trash Coin definitely is one that is super memeable. And like I told you, this is the type of stuff that can go viral because you can stick like celebrities on this. You can stick different other coins on this. Like everything can be associated with trash. It can be funny. It can be emotional. It can put out so many emotions. I know it's crazy, but who would have told you that trash can inflict that many emotions? But it can. That's the point. So guys, very, very happy about this. Go check out the website. Have a look at the graph. It's moving. There's volume coming in. The buyers are loads. And yes, we are having some red days. But guys, these are the days that you are going to look back at and when you are in the future and be like, oh my God, I should have loaded up. Maybe I should have gotten a heavier bag. So really, to me, looks nice. But also don't forget, you got to diversify your bag. You gotta have a lot of different plays. The Trash Coin belongs in your bag. So guys, let me know down below how you feel about it. I'm very thankful that I managed to actually get in early into this. And now I think it's time to just talk, to let the community know, and the future looks bright. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.